I have found a new kind of species. I don't know if it's dead or alive. I'll soon look at it closer. What kind of species is it? I better examine. Bumblebee, where have you been? I've been looking for you. Bumblebee, report. I fought a drone named Sideswipe. His name is not Sideswipe. His name is the former Autobot named Cliff Jumper. I wonder what happened to Sideswipe when he joined the Decepticons. That's not our concern right now. We gotta find the Allspark. We gotta move.